Hello YouTube, Anubis again. This is my second video. Yay! Today I'm gonna play Fly Like a Bird 3. Yay! Yeah, so basically, Fly Like a Bird is you fly like a bird. 3. Yeah, you you choose a bird. There's single player, multiplayer, other stuff. I'm gonna go multiplayer. You can choose different kinds of birds. There's barn owl, crow, eagle, macaw, pigeon, ringneck, robin, seagull, starling, and swan. I want to be a barn owl. Yeah, again. Yeah, then there's different kinds of places like there's cityscape, there's a hill, industry, islands, and snow. I think that's all. And others. Over there. Yeah. So we're gonna go to city. Because there's so many players. Fly like a battery. And you can poop on people in this game. Ah! Fly. Fly like a bird. Fly. Ah! Fly like a bird. Ugh. I'm a barn owl. Look at that. I walk so weird. Walk. Walk, 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 walk. And there's colors when I step. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, walk. I look like a penguin when I walk. Look at that name, Optimus Prime. Where was that? Where'd Optimus Prime go? Oh wait, he left the server. Why would Optimus leave? Optimus! Nachoy Divia. Let's try if we can poop on her. Or him. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. Let's go to that Nachoy. Oh wait, I think we passed. Oh, an idiot, and look what she said. Conchudo and puto and idiots and stupids. I don't know what. I think he's saying that king and queen are stupid and idiots. I think. Oh yeah, I was right. Someone said Nacho is calling you stupids. I mean idiots. Guy said. Oh no no! I just hit the building. Now it's morning, so you can see my beautiful look better. Look, it's a king. Where are you, king? No, so hard to control it. Ah, no, ow! I bumped on the wall again. Look, there's human. Poop on human beings. Ready? No. Ready? 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 Poop! Oh, didn't make it. So hard to poop on human beings. Ow! Now I'm gonna die. I will go on top. Oh, look at the sun. Looks so beautiful. Let's go all the way up. Poop. Oh, look at that poop. Poop. Ooh. Yeah. We're going up, 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 up. Yay, I'm all the way up. Wow, it's so laggy. Whoa. Fly like a bird. No. No. Okay, we're gonna really do what we need to do. Oof. Ganda. Yeah, so we're just gonna make nests here. Then have babies. I mean, chicks. To find twigs. Need to eat and stuff. How you play this? Actually find twigs on that trash bins like that a while ago, if you saw it. Oh no! I just got hit by a car. Now it's game over. I started away. What did I say? Oh dear, your bird flew away. Would you like to submit your score of 0 points to Game Files Hall of Fame? No. I would never want to submit 0. Today, next time, it's be an eagle. Eagle. Game file. Please. Oh no, it's night again. No, I'm an eagle. I'm a giant eagle. And you can't see me. I look like a butterfly. An eagle in the city. Oh, look, Optimus Prime is back. Oh, so that's my shadow. It's just not that pretty. What an ugly shadow. A square shadow. Oh, look, there's a church. Let's go to it. Can't go inside church. Why? I look like a very, very fat eagle. Or is that really how eagles look like? Eagle. 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 3, 2, 2, 1. Let's wait for it to be morning. Came for me, bitch, not them. I'm just reading that. Okay, Queen and King, and sorry. Oh, what is that? I will never take orders from you. I'm just reading what they're saying. Stop lying, Nacho. Only me, bitch. I'm just reading there. Stop lying. I'm just reading it over and over. Okay, sorry. King, but Nacho Divia. Why? Oh, no, that's not like that. That's why. Or something like that. Sorry. Oh, no. No, you liar. Shh. She left. King, run. Mordecai, where's Rigby? Mordecai and Rigby. Oh, Optimus Prime, gonna poop on you. Get ready to be pooped on, Optimus. I don't know if I just pooped on him or not. No. I'm gonna look for King and Queen. So like it's gonna be fun to poop on them. Just here to destroy everyone's lives. I'm a giant eagle, you're just small pigeons, I think. Oh no, you're ringnecks. Yeah, you. What? No, why would you poop on an eagle? Oh, stop pooping at an eagle. On an eagle. You're just small. Ah, you're just small little bird. Stop it. no, smaller birdies. No, I hate you, bird. I can't believe small little birds just killed a bird eagle. Uh, go. Get us going. Oh no! What did I just? I just did that. Wow. I just submitted my 0 score. Replay. Multiplayer. Let's be a swan. A swan. Hillscape. That's new. Is that an eagle? That and pigeon inside. That looks like a dragon, a giant dragon. It would be cool if there was like fly like a dragon. Never mind. Why is that? What happened? Oh. Okay, that's it, guys. Fly like a bird. Like and subscribe. If you like it. Bye. Bye.